Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to copy the names of the entire files present inside a folder in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say you can see here on my desktop screen I have a folder, so let me open it. So I have a tons of files here, right? So how you can copy this entire file name, that is, you can see all the file names here all at once. So at the same time, how you can copy? So by default, you might be thinking how it's possible, right? So most probably what we'll do, we'll just rename or try to rename and just select the name and try to copy one by one, right? So it's not quite convenient and it's not quite fast, right? So in order to copy all the files present inside a folder, you can do one trick. What you need to do is just press Ctrl A to select entire files present inside a folder, right? So after that, just move your mouse cursor anywhere, just place on any file. You can place here also on the first or anywhere, wherever you like to, but the mouse cursor should be placed on the file name and just right click. And now if you're using a Windows 11, then you will see an option here, some more options, just click on it. And now you will see here copy as path, just click on it. Now the entire file list has been copied, and now simply just open any Notes applications or any notepads and just press Ctrl B to paste the entire copied text. So you can see here the entire file name, so you can see here. So some files with the extensions also, so the entire path location will be copied along with the file name. So you can see here all the file names has been copied at the same time. You can delete the rest of the path link or the path names if you just need the names, but at the same time we have directly copied the entire file names all at once by using this cool method. So if you never known about the cool tricks on how to copy the names of the entire files present inside a folder in Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.